Kids, welcome to our channel, KidsStoryLand. Today I'm going to tell you about a baking day with Grandma. So let's get started. Lily hopped happily to Grandma Rose's house. Today was baking day. The yummy smell of cinnamon and sugar filled the air, making Lily's tummy happy. Grandma Rose, with her wrinkled eyes and a big smile, hugged Lily. Here you are, my dear. Time to add flour. Lily put on her pink apron and helped pour flour into the big bowl. They added eggs, sugar, and a special ingredient, love. While mixing, Lily saw Grandma Rose looking sad. "What's wrong, Grandma?" she asked gently. Grandma Rose sighed. "I feel a little useless, Lily. My hands are not strong anymore, and I can't do things as fast." Lily frowned. "But Grandma, you are not useless. You have the best baking recipes ever, and you tell the best stories." Grandma Rose chuckled. "You might be right, sweetie, but sometimes I feel like I can't do much." Lily had an idea. She took Grandma Rose's hand and led her to a chair by the window. "Grandma, you sit here and tell me a story while I finish baking. You might not mix as fast, but your stories are magical." Grandma Rose smiled and sat down. While Lily baked, the kitchen smelled like cinnamon and was filled with Grandma Rose's warm voice telling a story. Later, they drank milk and ate their delicious cookies. Lily learned something important. Everyone, young or old, has something special to offer. Grandma Rose might not be as strong, but her love, wisdom, and stories were priceless treasures. From then on, Lily appreciated not just what Grandma Rose could do, but also who she was. They continued baking, laughing, sharing stories, and making memories